Okay, so my brother are gonna have a Nerf war outside, not in here. So explain the rules, buddy.
Okay, so we're both using Nerf Recon CS6s. He opted to have
better aim because I do not have aim.
To have a stock with more darts on it. We're gonna be outside. There are no safe zones or bases.
Yeah.
When reloading, you just gotta find a safe spot because you're vulnerable when you're loading.
Yep.
And points, just every time you get hit, it's a point.
Yep.
And also, you can't unload.
Yeah.
You have to wait like 3 seconds. Like
you have to burp. It could be like that.
All right. Well.
We start at different sides of the area. Let's go. James, it's falling out. James. Okay. I got it. It's back in. Okay, I have to. No. What'd you do? Where's James? Start with that. It's mine. Let's see him. Where is he? Where's that little guy? Might be back here. Hey, no! Ah! No! We never knew this was possible! You can't shoot, Mom's going there. She might run over the art. Come on, James. You have to go outside. Touch some grass.
The camera?
Yes, it's on. What was that?
The wind's pretty bad, dude.
God, it's full. Hey, no! Hey! The phone's falling, babe. See how cheap he is? He always strikes when I'm vulnerable, which is really smart. Really. Hello, gents. I see that you're trying to kill me. Whew. You can't keep doing that! He's so cheap. Oh my God, you're so cheap. You have to be outside the whole time. Okay? You have to be outside the whole time. There is a rule. You have to be outside the whole time. That's why it's an outside. Touch grass. Go outside. I know. I'm good. Hi. Hi. What'd you just do? Oh my God. Hi. Hi. I thought you were going the other way. Bear, you can't do that. The phone is falling. The phone is falling. You can't see me. The phone's falling. But oh my God. He can't find me here. He's never gonna find me. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Thanks. I see him, I saw him. I saw him. You can't keep doing that. You can't go inside. You can't do that. You have to be outside the whole time. You have to be outside the whole time. No! That's basically a spot where you can basically do anything. Reload your darts, anything. And I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to shoot me.
What?
You're trying to shoot me. I knew it. He's going backwards. See you. See ya. Can't go inside. Okay. I'm going up here. Basketball hoop. I see you. Shoot it. I dare you. Wow. Oh, James! Pause! Right now. James! Pause, okay? Pause. I see your whims, but pause. You're right behind the house. I see you. Pause. I said pause.
Why?
Because I need to tell you a rule. If you shoot me right now, it does not count. No? James,
I don't trust you.
pause. It's on pause. The game is on
I
time.
don't trust you.
Time. I need to say, if you shoot me right now and you make it, it does not count.
Fine, same for me.
Okay.
If you shoot me, it doesn't count.
I need to say something. The rule is one shot and you're out. Okay?
One shot in your head.
Yeah, one way.
Then my...
I'll say unpause when it's time to unpause.
Oh, wait, that's not fair for me, though.
Why?
Because I got the stock and you got the extra...
I know. Yes, it is.
One shot and you're out.
Yeah. Once I say unpause, it's unpause. So you can't move right now. What? Unpause. Missed. Closer. Woohoo! That was close. No stops for mag. I think you're out. No stocks for mag. No stocks for mag. Oh, did I hit you? Okay. What? What?
I think you were close for once.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
No, it didn't. No unloading your mag. No unloading your mag. Wait, I'm out. No, you can't. I'm out. Let me get my darts. No, James. I need to get my darts. No. You can't. You have to stop. James, I'm loading up my mag. You have to stop. Yeah, you do. If you hit me, it does not count. See how cheap he is? You have to. Cheap. No, you can't. It does not count, James. It doesn't. The phone just fell. Look what you made me do.
What?
The phone just fell. You can't shoot me right now.
Why?
I'm putting the phone back. It literally fell. You can't shoot me right now. No.
Oh, you're good now.
No.
I missed.
I still need to reload.
Fine, so do I.
No, you don't.
It's just I am, I'm out.
Okay, you want to play like that? Then you. It's not like that then, okay? No. I need to reload. That's my dart.
I don't care.
James, no. James, cheater. End of match. You're automatically out.
Why?